Assalamu alaikum, dear 6th class students. Today we are going to read the poem of English, First Day at School. It is written by poet Roger Migo. In this poem, the poet tells us about a newly admitted boy in the school. First, we'll summarize it. It is a poem about a young boy who goes to school for the first time. He is away from his home, waiting for the bell to ring. The other children appears to be too big for him. They make much noise. He thinks they are feeling comfortable in school. He feels that they must have been born in uniforms. Uniform. He thinks that they must have lived their lives in playground. They have spent several years in inventing different games. They don't allow him to play with them. They are There are railings all around the school, perhaps to keep away the wolves and monsters which carry off and eat up children. Children should not accept sweets from devils. The railings are also meant to stop the children from running away from school and lessons. About lessons, he thinks that a lesson is something small and muddy. They keep children in classroom which is made out of glass. The child wishes he could remember his name because according to his mummy, it is useful for him. Just like long rubber boots or in rain, he wishes his mother to be with him. He thinks that his name has been stitched on his dress. Perhaps the teacher will be able to read it. The boy does not know the meaning of the word teacher. He thinks a teacher is perhaps a person who makes tea at school. Let us read the poem. A million billion billion miles from home, waiting for the bell to go where? Why are they so big, other children? So noisy, so much at home they must have been born in uniform, lived all their lives in playgrounds, spent the years inventing games that don't let me in. Games they are rough that swallow you up, and the railings all around the railing are they to keep our wolves and monsters, things that carry off and eat children, things you don't take sweets from. Perhaps they are to stop us getting out, running away from the lesson. What does a lesson look like? Sound small and silly. They keep them in classrooms, whole rooms made out of glass. Imagine. I wish I could remember my name. Mummy said it would come in useful like valleys when there is paddle yellow valleys. I wish she was here. I think my name's Swin on somewhere. Perhaps the teacher will read it for me. Teacher, the one who makes tea. A million billion billion miles from home. घर से बहुत दूर. Waiting for the bell. इंतज़ार कर रहा है घंटी बजने का. To go where? कहाँ जाने के लिए? स्कूल जाने के लिए. Why are they so big? Other children. दूसरे बच्चे उसे बड़ा ही दिखाई देते हैं. So noisy और शोर करते हो. So much at home they. वो स्कूल में अपने घर का सा माहौल महसूस करते हैं. Must have been born in uniform. वो ये छोटा बच्चा ये समझता है कि ये सब वर्दी में पैदा हुए हैं. Lived at their all their lives in playground. ये अपनी ज़िंदगी खेल के मैदानों में गुजारते हैं. Spend the years inventing games. इन्होंने बहुत सा वक्त गुजारा सर्फ किया गेम खेलों को ईजाद करने में. That don't let me in. ये मुझे खेलने नहीं देते हैं. Games that are rough. कहते हैं कि एक बहुत ख़तरनाक हैं. That swallow you up. आपको यहाँ पर चोट लग सकती है. All the railings. जंगला जो है all around. पूरा जो इर्द गिर्द जंगले से बंधा हुआ है. The railings are they keep our wolves and monsters. ये देव हेकल सूरतों को दूर रखने के लिए हैं. Things that carry off and eat children. जो बच्चों को वहाँ से उठा के ले जाते हैं और खाते हैं. Things you don't take sweets from. अजनबियों से और इन देव हेकल सूरतों से कोई मिठाई या कोई दूसरी चीज़ नहीं लेनी चाहिए. Perhaps they are to stop us getting out running away from the lesson. ये जंगला हमें स्कूल से भाग जाने और पढ़ने से नजात पाने से रोकने के लिए हमें ये जंगला बनाया गया है. What does a lesson look like? सबक से ये क्या मुराद है? Someone small and dirty. ये एक छोटा और गदली सी चीज़ है. They keep them in classroom. वो उनको क्लासरूम में रखते हैं. Whole rooms are out of glass. ये सब चीज़ें किसकी बनी हैं? शीशे की. ये ऐसा सोचता है, ये अंदाज़ा इमेजिन करता है. आई विश आई कुड रिमेंबर माई नेम. काश मुझे मेरा नाम याद रहता. मम्मी सेड इट वुड कम इन यूज़फुल. माँ ने मुझे कहा कि ये आपके लिए फ़ायदा मंद. लाइक वेलीज. जिस तरह रबड़ का जूता. व्हेन देयर इज़ पेडल्स येलो वेलीज. जब बारिश काफ़ी होती है कीचड़ होता है तब ये रबड़ के बूट फ़ायदा मंद होते हैं. आई विश शी वाज हेयर. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरी माँ यहाँ हो. आई थिंक माई नेम इज़ सिवन ऑन समवेयर. मैं सोचता हूँ ये सोचता है कि इसका नाम इसके ड्रेस पर कहीं सिला हुआ है. परहैप्स द टीचर विल रीड इट फॉर मी. ताकि उस्ताद ये पढ़ सके. टीचर उस्ताद का मतलब ये लफ्ज़ क्या है इसका मानी इसको समझ में नहीं आता है. द वन हु मेक्स टी. ये उस्ताद को इस तरह लेता है जैसा कि कोई चाय बनाने वाला हो इसमें स्कूल में. सम डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स एंड देयर मीनिंग. मिलियन 10 लाख. बिलियन 1 अरब. इन्वेंटिंग ईजाद करना. रफ बुर्री. स्वेलो निगल जाना. रेलिंग जंगला. मॉन्स्टर्स देव सूरत. परहैप्स शायद. साउंड्स लगता है. सिलमी कीचड़ आलूद, रिमेंबर याद रखना, यूजफुल फ़ायदेमंद, वेलीज रबड़ के लंबे जूते, सिवन सिला हुआ, सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल, चाइल्ड चिल्ड्रन, माइल माइल्स, ईयर ईयर्स, वुल्फ वुल्व्स, लाइफ लाइव्स, वाइफ वाइव्स, वर्ड इंटोनिम, noisy calm, small big, remember forget, useful use, unuseful useless, sweet sour or bitter, somewhere everywhere. Thank you.